Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is this cable that I use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer and just have it ready on the side. And from there, let's power off the device by holding the power key, like so. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold volume down and only volume down, and while holding it, plug in the cable. And now we can unplug it. So we should now be in recovery mode. So from here you want to choose clear data, which is the second option, and then again the second option, wipe cache partition. And it will automatically begin. It's a fairly quick one, and basically it's done. So now let's tap on back, restart, and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And you can see that we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.